Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and these are my mentees Prajit, Kavya, Rahul Gandhi and Kirtika. They will discuss about their project which is related with the design thinking and the problem statements of their projects, how to implement these projects based on the DT stages. Shall we start?
So the problem statement I have taken is from Y Combinator, where I took the problem statement from a company called Agile MD. Agile MD is a healthcare company that gave this problem statement as automating the task of a physician. That is to remove the manual data entry and to automate the entry and give the analysis of patient records by using AI. This is the problem statement.
So we try to empathize the problem with the patients and doctors and physicians and related workers. So when we communicate with them, they explain their problems, which is they lost their documents, which is stored physically. So that the patients, when patients were again came to hospital, they didn't able to retrieve the documents. So they need something which is not physical. So we implemented this.
So the idea of this project is that we tried to create a decentralized platform for the patients, doctors and pharmacies and all to create a common platform where everyone can access and get to know the prescription and the medical reports and the data of the patients if you want medicines, we can get it from the pharmacy department, which is prescribed by the doctors. So it can be accessed through the patient himself by the blockchain technology that we are providing here to have a secured reaction for the whole transaction. So in which we have implemented the key values, which which plays the main role, act as a key, as a password for the patients to get and retrieve the data of the patients given by doctors and the pharmacist and all. It can be accessed through keys and tokens. So it is the common idea that we are proposing in this project, which is fully focused upon blockchain and all to have a secured data transaction and data storage platform.
Coming to the design part, we tried to integrate Gen AI to automate this process. First process we wanted to automate is that the conversation that goes between the doctor and the patient. That is like half of the work time. So the main manual process that happens is that the doctor and patient has the convo, and then the doctor manually enters the summary of it and generates the soap notes, and the physician again enters his manual details of the patient in the records of computer or either in paper. So by including Gen AI, we automated this conversation transcription and generation of soap notes, and also the details of the patient and history and diagnosis, and also the analysis of process. And also I have tried to integrate a chatbot that gives medical-based solutions, so that he will have a clear-cut idea that he doesn't have to visit the doctor every time. He can have his consultation in his home.
The testing of our project, we use Grok AI, that is like the testing of our project. We use Grok AI that converts speech to text, which gives us some symptoms like treatment, diagnosis, and that is snippet notes using soap notes.
And we are focused to change this thing from the existing models. Right? The existing models are paid and they require like certain amount to be charged for each process. And not by including the Grok AI, automated this, and it can be used by free player physicians. This is also a two-in model, so that the doctors can use this model, and also the physicians, the patients can also access this model. Doctor can use this to convert this soap notes, and patient can use this to take suggestions from the AI and also give his appointment to the doctor. And this model has come out in a way that it helps both side of a doctor.
Is your project related with the DT and the 5 stages? We are using the 5 stages, right? So how you related with your project?
So the project firstly starts with the problem statement. That's the first layer of DT.
So your project will be taken from Unicorn?
No, we have taken
Y Combinator.
Firstly identify the problem statement.
So what is the existing of your projects?
The existing was called SOAP UI. That is a predefined soap node generator that has only soap node generator module, and that is it's paid to use. That is a based model. The thing is that you have to pay for it. In our case, it is free to use. The next thing of presenting chapter we have used is empathize. Empathize in the case of patients and doctors. They have empathized their hardship they are going through while entering a manual data entry. We have empathized that statement and made this problem statement make sense. And coming to the idea, we have integrated AI to the usage and design and test. We have done this in
So from the project you have included the GenAI also.
Yes.
Okay, for the generation of the soap
so
notes.
and also for analysis of data and use solutions for
Okay,
patients.
in which trust area it will map?
It comes from smart city and also the healthcare.
It will be very helpful for the
Other
labor
healthcare.
problem also. Nice. Okay, thank you.